Dear friends, welcome to the new video of our channel. Daily routine, poor diet, lack of exercise, excessive stress. These have become common in every man's life nowadays. This causes various health problems. It brings many mental and physical problems in our life. Sex-related problems are prominent among such problems. Lack of interest in sex, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and so on. There are problems. There are many such quick calculations. There are problems. Premature ejaculation is a common problem in most married men. Juice spills out within a minute of starting sex. For some, the sperm comes out just after holding the penis in the hand and moving it back and forth a couple of times. It is caused by tension in that person's mind and is not a health problem. If you plan to have sex better, if you are going to have sex, tell him how he feels if sperm comes out within a few minutes of inserting the penis into the vagina. When this problem occurs, most of the youths start using different pills and ointments. The dangers of such things are more than the benefits. Therefore, the best way to have sex for longer in terms of health is the start and stop method. This is a simple and healthy method. This allows you to engage in sex for a longer period of time. Several studies have shown that the start and stop method is the most effective way to increase the duration of your sex and achieve fuller sex pleasure. We will make several plans. This way our body is fully prepared before having sex. People with this problem are highly aroused during sex. This causes them to ejaculate very quickly. People who ejaculate early think that theirs will come out early, the sperm will come out early, so they should have sex as soon as possible. The main reason for premature ejaculation like this is psychological problem. Ejaculates quickly before we have sex. This is not a health problem. So this problem can be solved by start and stop method. So let's know how to do start and stop method. Do not put the penis in the vagina as soon as you start the sex. First play well. Then insert the penis into the vagina and have intercourse. When you start having sex like this, when you start feeling that semen is coming out, stop the sex and take the penis out of the vagina. Again change your mood for some time or play for again. Leave some time and have sex slowly again. Don't have sex too fast with too much excitement. Have sex gently by kissing your partner's lips or position. Thus use the start and stop method to get complete sex pleasure. Instead use different types of tablets and ointments to avoid hurting your private parts. Don't risk it. Do not press the tip of the penis to prevent the sperm from entering the penile duct for any reason. This can be very dangerous for you. Observe every movement of your penis during sex. Stop having sex when no more semen comes out and pull the penis out of the vagina. This is a good method and a healthy method. Anyone who has problem with quick location should give this a try. 100% good results will be obtained. Thank you.